Ooh, time to go around in circles. Anyway, okay, so we're in geometric sequences to infinity, sums to infinity. Our questions, exercise 6, number 4. Get what you need out of the video, pause, rewind, skip it, you know those things. So, in an infinite sequence of circles, the radius of the first circle is 90 centimeters. My brain's run out of space, so I'm going to draw what's being talked about here. We're given a circle. Oh, just the one, thank you. And we're told that its radius is 90 centimeters. The radius of each successive circle is 2/3 of that one before it. Okay, so next circle. Where you circle? There you are. And we're going to do here over there. And just needs to be in the right spot there. So this one's radius is 2/3 of the one before it. So our 2/3 of 90, maybe you've worked it out already. I think I get 60. So its radius is 60. And so we go and we're going to have a whole lot of more circles. They get smaller and smaller. Find the sum to infinity of the areas. The areas. Now that's going to make life a little bit more interesting because our area is pi r squared. So the area of the first circle then is 8,100 pi. The area of the second circle, well, we're still using pi r squared. And that's going to give us 3,600 pi. And we're going to keep adding these forever. And hopefully the radius or the ratio is a proper fraction. Well, it looks like it is. It's getting smaller each time. So let's work out our first term, little a, our first term, is 8,100 pi. Our ratio is the second term divided by the first term. Now, before you punch all that in, just think what are you expecting to get here? Because the radius was 2/3 of the circle of the previous circle. So I don't think that the area is going to be 2/3, 2/3. Well, maybe you punched it in by now and you simplify this fraction, punch in the calculator, work it out in your head, and we get 4/9. And maybe you're expecting that already, but that's 2/3 squared is 4/9. So that's our common ratio each time because we're squaring the radius. But maybe we didn't see that, or maybe we're like, whatever, we're just going to sub into our formula. The sum to infinity is a over 1 minus r. And that we can just plug into our trusty calculator and we get 14,580 pi. And I think our units were centimeters squared. And there we go. Well, that was the sum of all of those infinitely many circles. See you in the next one.